Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your level, required objectives, and party size. Once confirmed, move immediately to staging areas where raid spawns occur. This increases encounter probability. You should also stock consumables and pick roles, damage, support, or scout, so your team functions. Make sure to notify teammates about timing and entry routes. Coordinated entry raises success chance dramatically. You're initiating the process now, not prepping later, because raids are time-sensitive and require readiness before engagement. You trigger the raid by activating the objective or holding the spawn node. Timing matters because some raids have narrow windows. Once started, advance through checkpoints methodically, clearing enemies in manageable waves so you don't get overwhelmed. Make sure to control choke points and use abilities to stall mobs. Assign one player to monitor crate spawn timers and another to secure the area for pickup. Doing this ensures crates are safely collected and reduces the chance of losing loot to respawns or enemy swarms. You finish by securing crates and extracting through the designated exit without delay. Lingering invites respawn enemies and risks losing loot. Once done, deposit or store crates according to game rules to finalize reward. If crates vanish, check 3 things: spawn timing, whether all team members were within the required proximity, and whether any secondary triggers were missed. These are the usual failures. If extraction fails, prioritize quick revive or evac to retain at least partial rewards, and then reassess your trigger and timing strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.